Have you ever put a toilet paper roll in your fridge? This is a trick from the hotel sector that I would like to present to you here. In fact, many hotels use this trick with the toilet paper roll in the fridge, and maybe you will do the same in the future after you have heard about the ingenious advantages. All you need is a toilet paper roll and of course your fridge. Now put this toilet paper roll in your fridge. Choose a corner where it fits, put it inside and just leave it there. You could also use a household roll. However, these are usually much larger and you will need much more space in your fridge. Therefore, the toilet paper roll is really much more suitable. It is also important that you replace the toilet paper roll with a new one about every 3 weeks. For reasons of hygiene, you should also put it in the fridge straight from the packaging and not put it near your toilet. You can also put it a little further back in your fridge so that you don't see it immediately when you open the fridge. But what exactly does the toilet paper roll do in the fridge now? The paper absorbs odors. So if you have various foodstuffs in your fridge that cause an unpleasant smell, the toilet paper roll can absorb these smells and it will no longer smell. That's why this trick is used in many hotels. Would you also like to know 6 more bathroom tricks that everyone should know? Then be sure to watch the video that I'm linking to you here. You would make me really happy if you click the like button and subscribe to my channel.